In this video, let's talk about the Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers and aftermarket wheels. Got aftermarket wheels that just don't sit quite right. Maybe they are rubbing or look sunken. Today, we are slowing that with wheel spacers, the secret weapon to nailing your wheels offset. Let's dive into how spacers save your build, boost looks, and keep your rolling safety. What is wheel offset? First, offset is the distance from your wheel center lines to its mounting surface. Positive offset charges the wheels in, negative push it out. Aftermarket wheels often have the wrong offset for your rig, causing rubbing, hoof stance, or even handling issues. That's wheel spacer come in. Spacer act like offset adjusters, slamming between your hub and wheel, and they push the wheel outward. 4Runner stock wheels are offset with plus 50 mm, and the aftermarket wheels are zero offset. After installing the aftermarket wheels, we can see the aftermarket wheels are still look sunken. That is so expensive when we replace a new set of aftermarket wheels. For most of us, spacers are the budget-friendly solution. Spacer costs $100 to $300 and over $1,500 for new wheels. Spacers let you keep your existing setup while daily in the perfect fit. In addition, BONOSS FT cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better. Distributed in petal shape. These screws allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. All BONOSS wheel spacer kits are delivered with authoritative SGS anti-wheel certification report. In addition, BONOSS FT cooling wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, giving customers peace of mind. Such BONOSS FT cooling wheel spacers are surely a good option for your driving needs. So spacers, offset heroes. They are cheap, easy, and transform your ride look and function. Drop a comment. Have you used wheel spacers to fix your wheel offset?